How to open trades, set stop losses, take profits on ByBit futures from your cell phone. Let's do this quick tutorial. First, what you need to do, check if you have money on your derivatives account. What you do, here is a major menu. What you go to your assets, and here is derivatives account. There must be money. If there is no money, for example, you have money on funding, on spot account, let's transfer this money from funding to derivatives. We choose from funding to derivative account, and or for example from spot account to derivatives account. After that, you decide what amount of money you would like to send. For example, 10 USD, 100, 10,000, 100,000, doesn't matter. And after that, confirm and send. And when you send here, money will appear on derivatives. Step number 2, you go to derivatives. Before you would like to open any trade, you need to know what will be your size. That's really important. How to identify size first. You need to know what coin you will trade. And you go to Trading View. Highly recommend you to download this app. And what you do, imagine you would like to open a trade on Binance coin. Really easily, within 30 seconds to understand your volume in position. First, what you do, you here on Trading View, there a special tool. It is long short position. Why is this stuff really cool? Like, let's choose this long position. You decided where to put it, let's put it. It's the same as we did here. Green, it is your take profit. Red, it is your stop loss. Here you decide where you would like to put your stop loss. Imagine you would like to put your stop loss here at 257. You can see here below at what price you would like to set your stop loss, percent of price movement, and ticks. Here you open settings of this stuff, and here you have risk. What you should write here, at this moment you just can copy what you have here with risk, lot size, and all of this. Here it is your risk in position. What means by risk in position? It is if price hit your stop loss, how much you will lose. It is first what we teach our students when they start path in trading. And by the way, you can download free PDF about my strategies that will help you make money, and join our free Telegram. Link will be in description. Let's do that your risk in position 10 USD. That could be 100, 1000. If you need help, you can write in the comments, I will personally reply. After that, you decide where you would like to set your take profit. Let's assume your take profit, you would like to have risk reward ratio 1 to 2. It means you lose 10. If price go into your favor, you make 20. What you do here, exactly set at price. Good. Here, as you can see quantity, it shows to us 2.78. It shows the amount of coins that you need to enter in order to have this risk. Have a look. If you have bigger stop loss, amount of coins decrease. Why? Because still you will have the same risk. If you have lower stop loss, amount of coins could be bigger, but risk the same here. That's beautiful. Let's do here stop loss. We need to enter 2.95 long to in this position. After that, what you do? You go to ByBit, and by the way, the same stuff with short position, guys. It works in both directions, short and long. As you can see here, it doesn't matter in what direction. 2.95. When you open your derivatives menu, here would be copy trading. You choose standard. After that, what do you have? You have leverage. Highly recommend you just set 20. I will record another video about leverage, because leverage is not key question here. Just set 20, that's it. You don't need more. After that, here you have possibility what type of orders to use. To use market order or to use limit order. Let's assume you would like to enter by market. What you do here, right, choose market. Quantity, you write 2.95. As you can see here, you can already add a stop loss and take profit even before you enter a trade. 257, 267. Let's do 257 and 267. As you can see here, ByBit also tells us how much we can lose if price will hit our take profit or will go against us. And let's do confirm. And at this moment, to open long, you need to push buy long. Congrats, friend, you just opened a trade, we just opened a trade, and automatically we placed stop loss and automatically we placed a take profit. Let's assume you open a trade without stop losses. Let's cancel. As you can see, we just canceled. Let's assume you open a trade without stop loss and take profit, and you would like to add them. What you do here, set take profit, stop loss, this button. Here you write stop loss that we decided to choose on 257.22 and 267.78. It is what we had on ByBit. And let's confirm. Voila, we have stop losses and take profits. What we do after? What to do if you would like to choose to close by parts? When we trade according to our strategies, we always close by parts because sometimes you cannot guarantee that price will hit all your targets. Better to divide it. By the way, I will add to you at this moment in the cards lessons and playlists about our strategies. Highly recommend you to watch because it will help you make more money in the future. And consider subscribing. At this moment, let's go back into set stop loss and take profit. How we can set multiple goals. Two choices. First choice, we go to set take profit stop loss, and here it is partial position. As you can see here, you can choose as take profit, as same as stop loss. You can close by parts. Let's choose take profit. Let's decide you would like to 25% of your position. As you can see, 25% of 2.95 BNB, it is 0.73. And what is our entry price? 260, and our full target 267. Let's assume you would like to set to get part from your position at before full target 265.50. Here ByBit shows to you what will be your expected profit if price will go into your favor. And let's confirm. Here we have first profit. What if you would like to set several? Add, again, choose percent, like 50%. 266.5, confirm. Several targets. You can add several targets. Here you can cancel all of them. Easily can cancel, as you can see. Super easy. Another way how you can add multiple goals, it is here. When you push close, you can here decide like close 25%, and you can set limit order. Limit order 266. 25%. As you can see, you go to orders, it is your pending orders. Below you have close long, it is take profit and stop loss for entire position. Above it is our partial profit, as you can see, 0.73, 25%. Pay attention that here it is close long. Why you pay attention to it? Because sometimes price can go hit your stop loss and after that rise, and you don't need to worry because here it is reduce only. It will not if for example you close a trade by manually or price will go against you, it will not open your position against you. That's why feel free. And let's cover two more important questions. It is about how to close by parts if you need right now, and trailing stop loss. First, how to close by parts. You go to close by, and here you decide to close, for example, 25%, and you choose not limit but by market, and you push confirm. As you can see, right now we just closed 25%. If you need to close additional 25%, you close, but this time this 25 will be calculated not from original position, but from what we have right now at this moment. Push, because first 25% were 0.73 coins. At this moment it is reduced to 0.55. Push confirm, and we at this moment close a big part of our position. And before I close whole entire position, let's show to you how trailing stop works. You place a stop loss, and after that it moves after a price, and if price moves really fast after pullback, it will take stop loss. Okay, let's assume 5 USD. And here you set 5 USD. You can open whole your position and you can see all the stuff here. Here you can see when you open this order, you can see current orders. It means your stop losses take profits. Order history, you can see here on ByBit all you did. Also you can see realized P&L, trade history, and all of this stuff. Like last day, you can choose date where you would like to watch it. And let's close all entire position. confirm. At this moment, let's learn how to set limit orders, because sometimes, for example, you would like to go to a job and just place limit order. What you need to do first, the same with market orders, you need to know first where would be your entry point, and second, what will be your volume. Let's do a real practical example with some coin. Let's assume you would like to take long on BTC if price reach this level. It's just an example for you. Let's find long entry. Where is it? Long position. You would like to take long here. In a case if the price hits that area, your stop loss would be $10, and you would like to set limit order exactly with stop loss. Okay, what we do right now, as you can see here, we have first a place of our entry. It will be exactly this one, 26,380, and amount of coin 0.036. What we do? We go here, we choose, we go and we should choose USDT perp, and we should choose BTC. Here you have to open a trade. Let's do 20 by 1922. That's our leverage, and at this moment, as you can see, limit order, order price, and quantity. Remember, we wrote 0.036. Where did we take that number? 0.036. It is exactly here from TradingView. You can find another way how to calculate volume in positions. That's up to you. And here you place your stop loss. Stop loss 26,104, and take profit 26,551. 26,551. As you can see here, TradingView shows to you what will be your potential stop loss and your potential take profit if price reach those areas. And confirm. And we set limit order at 26,380 as we wrote here. And open. If you set buy limit, you push open long. If you set sell limit, here, my friend, sorry. I choose copy trading, you should use standard. Sadly, they do this stuff for all the settings didn't save. 0.038, order price 26,380, plus stop loss 26,104, 26,554. Here it wrote how much we would lose and how much we would make if price reach stop losses, take profits. Same as with the market orders, and push buy long. As you can see, order submitted, and here you have this open long limit order. You can modify. You can modify stop loss, order price, and amount of coins, and also you can modify your stop loss, take profit. To cancel, simple. Right, cancel, and that's it. What should you do right now, friends? Right now, watch our lessons about trading that will help you make more money and become profitable. If you have any questions, write it in the comments, and I personally will reply as soon as I can. Have a good day.